Hi, I'm Angela from Empowered Crystals and I make healing crystal jewellery. I really enjoy using raw and rare stones and wire wrapping them with different wires to bring out the beauty of each stone. In addition to this, I do quite a lot of energetic work on each stone, and that includes cleansing, attuning to Reiki, and also programming with symbols. So today I'd like to talk a little bit more about how I prepare the stones. Firstly, I use Reiki for a lot of these processes, so I'd like to talk about Reiki a little bit more. So Reiki is a healing modality. It works quite similarly to spiritual healing. You need to be attuned by another person to be able to perform Reiki. Reiki, I believe, is more powerful than spiritual healing because of this attunement. The attunement opens up the crown chakra, so you channel the healing energy through your crown chakra, through your hands and to the other person. I think it's quite powerful personally. I do believe in it, and that is why I use it with my crystals. Now, the first thing I would do with a crystal is cleanse it, and again I do this with Reiki. So here's a lovely pendant that I made earlier. So what I would do with this is the first thing is to cleanse the stone. So I would hold it in my hands and I would pass Reiki through this stone, concentrating on it, and I'd actually use a symbol, and this is from the Karuna Reiki modality, and the Reiki symbol is called Rama. It's very cleansing, very powerful, and it really flushes the crystal through. So I would hold the stone in my hands and then I would draw the symbol over it and then feel the energy just flushing the crystal through. The next thing I do is attune the crystal to Reiki. Now, attuning the crystal is, I think, the best way of preparing crystals. A lot of crystal jewellery are Reiki charged, and that means you just hold the crystal and you fill it up with Reiki energy. Now that energy will eventually run out because you can only fill up so much. Now, by tuning the crystal to Reiki, it means that the actual crystal is acting as a conduit for the healing Reiki, and so it will never run out. So that is the main thing that I do, is attune the crystal to Reiki, and then when you're wearing it, it will be channeling lovely healing Reiki through to your body. I've had a lot of people message me and say that they've felt the healing energy. Quite a lot of people say that they feel it as soon as they open the package, but I've also had a lot of anecdotal evidence that people feel heat from the stones, and they say it's really powerful heat. Somebody said that it was so hot they had to take it off because they felt as though it was about to burn them. So that's rare, but some people that are sensitive energy will feel this heat coming from the stones, and that is just purely the Reiki energy working. The more you need healing, probably the more heat you'll feel, and also more sensitive you are to energy. Some people aren't sensitive to energy at all and they won't feel anything, but it will be working in the background. I mean, obviously I don't guarantee results, but personally I do believe in the power of Reiki. The third thing I do, which I think is lovely, and I program the crystals with a healing, angelic energy language. Now, this language is called Zebu. It was channeled by Debbie Almstead. She's written a lovely book about the whole Zebu language and tells you all the different characters. I found the energy to be beautiful from this Zebu language, and so I use it on my crystals. I do use the Choku Rei Reiki symbol as well, so that would be the first symbol I use. The second symbol I would use is called Akashawa. This is from the angelic healing language. It's for actually healing. The language is supposed to be that each symbol creates an energetic portal which channels angelic energy. So this will channel angelic healing energy. The second crystal programming symbol I use is called Asani, and that is for happiness. So there again, it will create a portal that will channel through the crystal healing energy and combine it with this angelic happiness energy. So that is all the processes I do generally. I hope you've enjoyed listening to a bit more about my processes and a bit more about the details. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more jewellery, please pop over to my website, empoweredcrystals.com. Thank you very much for watching.